Okay, good morning. It's February 28th, 2022, and I just thought to grab my camera. I cut this cedar tree down, which I've been meaning to do for several years. That's going to get turned into decking boards for the second level deck. I'm coming down here today, finish cutting up the top piece, get as much as I can out of it. Pretty nice day here today. I'll take you up in a little while and show you the slabs that are ready, which you can't see from here. They're up there on the chainsaw mill bench I built. But as of right now, this moment's activity is going to be getting the branches off of this, cutting it into usable pieces, and getting it off the property, and then going up and do some milling. All right, I just remembered to make a recording. That's why I'm doing this. More to come. And actually, as you can see, one thing I have here is absolutely no shortage of cedar trees. They're everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. That one's broken. That one's going to come down. I've got about 20 of them out in the woods I got to go pick up with my trailer. One day at a time, one day at a time. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so here it is, Monday. Yeah, Monday, still the 28th. I got two of these up here. This is the bench I just built. I just set up this 10-foot log up here. I just set up the rail system, probably getting blinded by the sun. That's the new bench I just built. It's repurposed wood I had laying around, real heavy duty. I made these little chocks that go in, just 2x4s with screws. I'm getting ready to cut it. All right, I'll be back. All right, here's the first cut. I'm going to get ready to slab out some planks. And this is, I cut the other end down. This is now about 9.5 feet long, and I'm going to end up with 8-foot pieces out of here. So these little wiggles you get at the end won't matter too much. I'm going to cut them off anyway. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to get the saw set up, warmed up, and I even got somebody to film it today. I'll be back.
Like butter. Just like butter.
Oh, look at the hairs. Uh-oh, hold on.
It's okay, you still get a good piece out of it.